The ALEXA device and app has changed how we manage our voice recordings that it retains when we engage with it. I'm going to show you how to how to delete voice recordings from your ALEXA device and the app. And then I'm going to show you a setting that you may want to consider enabling for you to be able to better manage your privacy. So the recordings are hit the three bars on the bottom, right to the right of the light bulb, and then you go to ALEXA privacy, and then there's two things I'm going to show you here. The top item, review ALEXA history, and now the bottom is manage your ALEXA data. So let's start up top on the your history. If I click on that, it's going to want to show the last 7 days, but I have no history of the last 7 days. So I've got to go to all dates to show it all to you because I've deleted the first month or so. So you can see that these are the voice recordings and the engagement I've had with my ALEXA devices. Now I have two of them. I have one upstairs. I have one downstairs. So used to be there was a really easy way to delete them all at once. But that's gone. Now there's two ways you can delete from this screen. The first way is you can click on the three dots on any one of the items, and then you can hit delete, and then you can hit delete again. That's 3 clicks for every item. That would be tedious. And that's not the best way to do it. Let me cancel that. The better way, which is still not as good as it used to be, is hit the check mark in the upper right-hand corner. And then select each item and down through the screen. It'll have to load a bunch of new ones as you go down through here, and you can select them. Now, don't try to hit the square box. That's too tedious. My big fat fingers won't work. Just click in the middle of each item. Just click in the middle, and I'm just clicking on anywhere on the words. And you can see when I click in the middle, it lets me select each of these, and I can delete each one that I select. And once I select all the ones that I want to delete, then I go up top in the right-hand corner and I hit delete, and I confirm by hitting delete again. It saves 1 click per item to do this. A little bit better, but again, still not a bulk deletion that we used to have. I'm going to hit cancel. Now, I'm going to show you something else that you may want to consider. I'm going to come out of the screen. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. You see manage your ALEXA data. Click on that. And I'm going to hit the voice recordings and transcripts. I'm going to click on that. Now, the options here are you can say, I want to leave my voice recordings and transcripts until I delete them. That's the first item. I can leave them for 18 months. I can leave them for 3 months, or do not retain at all. Now, I did some research and I went to the ALEXA website, and I found this information about the benefits of saving recordings. Item number 1 is personalize the device to work with you and or others in your family. So you have multiple people engaging with the device. Maybe there's some validity to retaining the recording so that you personalize your voice ID over your wife's, et cetera, when you're asking the device to do different things, play different music, send different messages, et cetera, et cetera. The third item in the report or the list was the review and recall. If you want to go back and look find a specific song or a specific piece of information that the device gave you, maybe retaining that data would be useful for that purpose. And the second item was improved accuracy, so you can help Amazon train its AI to better understand diverse voices and speech patterns, making Alexa better for all. But you want to look at this and make a decision what's the right thing for you. Those are the 2 areas that I want to share with you, and that is review the ALEXA history and manage your ALEXA data. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about helping you overcome the risks and fears of using technology, and I hope this information is helpful for you.